Hi, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how you can use the Math EquatIO extension and Google Jamboard. First, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store, search and download the EquatIO extension. And once you do that, you'll notice at the top right corner that there is a blue diamond that looks like this one here that I'm showcasing. That is the EquatIO extension. The next thing that you're going to do is open up a Google Doc. And when you open up a Google Doc, you can simply click on the EquatIO extension and a math toolbar will show up here at the bottom. You can go through these different editors to see which one applies to you, but what I'm going to show you is the handwriting recognition editor. So I'm going to click on this icon here and I get this new window that shows up. You can use a touchscreen device or you can use your mouse to write the equation. I'm using my touchscreen Chromebook with a stylus, so I'm going to write in my equation. And you can notice here on the right side of the screen that it creates my equation digitally. So after I check it over, I can simply click on the Insert Math button, and it will insert that equation as an image into my Google Doc. I'm going to hit enter to go to the next line. And now I'm going to compose of a new equation. So I'm going to click the trash can to clear it out. And I'm going to write in my next equation. And notice here at the bottom, there's different icons or toolbars here that you can click on to get different symbols. So keep these in mind when you're creating your equations because you may need to use one of these symbols here as well. So I'm going to click on the Insert Math button, and now my equation is digitally inserted into my Google Doc. I'm going to close this window, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this equation. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit Control C. And now I'm going to go into Jamboard. So I can go into Google Drive, click on New, More, Google Jamboard, or I can go to jamboard.google.com and a new jam will open up. So now if I wanted students to graph their equations, this becomes an interactive workspace for the students. So I can click on the background button here and change it to graph paper. And now I can paste my equation in here. So I'm going to right click, sorry, I'm going to do Control V, and my equation shows up right here. And now students can use the pen tool and they can graph their equation and show their work right in Jamboard. If I wanted to go on to the next frame, I click the next arrow here. I can change the background again to graph paper. Then I can go back into my Google Doc that has the collection of equations. I can Control C, go back into my jam, do a Control V to paste, and then I can move my equation to the top, and I can type or write directions here for my students. So I'm going to change my pen and I'm going to writing graph the equation, and now students can actually do the work and you'll be able to see what they did in Jamboard. I hope you found this screencast helpful.